Now, vaccine distribution has also been a major issue in Arizona, Yuma County included. Today, though, the county announced more doses are not currently available to the public. News 11's Adonis Albright joining us in studio with more.
There's been some confusion surrounding vaccine distribution, particularly how to get a shot if you qualify for Phase 1B. Yuma County announcing there are no more vaccines available to the public, at least for now. In a statement, Yuma County says it's actively working with the Arizona Department of Health Services to get more vaccines. To date, 7,400 doses of the Moderna vaccine have been received in Yuma County. All of those have either been administered or reserved through appointments. But if you haven't already made one, it's unclear when more slots will open up. The county says it doesn't want to get people's hopes up until the new vaccines arrive. They don't want to promise something they don't currently have.
What's been the experience across the country is that a lot of places have opened up and allowed people to make appointments just months and months and months out. And what happens is that either one, their vaccine doesn't arrive on time, or severely delayed, or they don't get it at all. We don't want to put everybody through that, because once you experience that, you have to go find all those people that have made appointments and somehow contact them, tell them they've been canceled. So rather than do that, it's more supply than demand.
Phase 1B vaccination started earlier this week for education and childcare providers, law enforcement, and adults over the age of 75. The county and healthcare providers have been inundated with calls, unable to meet the demand.
We've received a huge response to the announcement of the prioritized Phase 1B, and people are wanting to get their vaccine. We're very happy with that, but we don't have as much vaccine as there is demand.
If you don't want to wait, the county is directing people to the 24/7 vaccination sites in Maricopa County, the State Farm Stadium in Glendale. But you do have to make an appointment online. More slots will open up at the State Farm Stadium next Tuesday at 9 a.m. for appointments in February. Next week, Arizona is also opening up a new location at Phoenix Municipal Stadium. To give you a better idea of the site's efficiency, the department says roughly 200 vaccines are being administered every hour, and more locations could be opened across the state.
We expect the site to provide a model for expanding such efforts to more places around Arizona.
According to ADHS, more than 200,000 prioritized Arizonans have been inoculated. But the state received more than 600,000 doses. So why the delay? According to Dr. Kara Christ, it comes down to the supply from the federal government, an issue that can't be immediately remedied here at home.
It has a lot to do with the supply chain across the country. What we're doing is letting everybody know that as soon as we have vaccine, and we have it physically here, we will put out the notice that the vaccine is available and that people can make appointments for the amount of vaccine that we're allocating to that.
Now, if you are planning on heading over to one of the sites in Maricopa County, keep in mind they have the Pfizer vaccine and it cannot be mixed with the Moderna vaccine. Again, all appointments at the State Farm Stadium for January have been booked, but starting next Tuesday, more slots will be made available for February. A link to register can be found on our website at kyma.com. Reporting in the studio, Adonis Albright, News 11.